What's going on YouTube? My name's Viet. Thank you for watching. And today we're going to be putting on wheel spacers from Burger Motorsports. So I got these spacers off a good friend of mine, Esteban. I'm going to put his IG handle right now. He drives a fire-ass M2 comp. He was clearing his garage out and was selling these Burger Motorsports 10mm and 12mm spacers. And that's exactly what I was looking for when I was lowered the car last week. So it ended up working out. The mod bug doesn't stop. As you can see here, I only have one set of spacers, and that's because off camera I went ahead and test fitted a 10mm on this side and a 12mm spacer on this side to give you guys a better look. The 12mm pokes out just a hair, so I think I'm going to move those up front and keep the 10mm on the rears, because that looks pretty flush to me. Also, here's a little tour of my garage. It's a fucking mess right now. I gotta clean it up, but in an apartment complex, it does the trick. Houses all my junk, my F30 parts. Shout out the old license plate. Just ordered the new one for the F80 today. But yeah, it's just a bunch of junk. F30 parts. Gotta get some more stuff for the walls. Tons of F30 parts. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna organize, make it look cleaner. So what you're gonna need for today's install is a low profile jack. I have a torque wrench, some gloves, and Esteban also gave me extended lug nuts that came with the Burger Motorsports spacers. So this should be a simple DIY. Stay tuned. As for the torque specs, I'm going to be speccing down the wheels to 105 foot-pounds of torque. So basically what I'm going to be doing is taking the front wheels off, putting the 12mm spacers up there, and then I'm going to be putting on the 10s in the rear.